Hello. Thanks for joining us on Footprint Report, where we dive into the latest news and trends about tokens, projects, protocols, and more. In this video, I want to introduce Harmony, a chain that is said to kill Ethereum. To understand Harmony, we first need to learn Ethereum 2.0. Since 2020, dApps on Ethereum have boomed, with the number now over 400. However, Ethereum currently has a TPS of only 15, making the network prone to congestion and high gas fees. Ethereum is in dire need of scaling solutions that increase the limits of its blocks to boost TPS. This is the reason why Ethereum 2.0, which aims to improve Ether's scalability through network upgrades, is highly anticipated. Ethereum 2.0 includes the following three upgrades. The Beacon Chain proof-of-stake mechanism is introduced, which is an algorithm used to generate new blocks and reach consensus with other nodes. The Beacon Chain also provides the infrastructure for the sharding mechanism. Shard chains improve the scalability and carrying capacity of Ethereum by creating 64 new shard chains. The merge. This refers to the gradual migration of Ethereum from the main network to the Beacon Chain. When the upgrade is complete, the entire Ethereum network will be fully enabled with the POS consensus mechanism. The upgrade of Ethereum 2.0 will still take several years to complete. Due to the multiple obstacles encountered in the transformation of Ethereum, there are ambitious developers thinking about other solutions in parallel, and many chains are starting to emerge. Sharding is the main technology chosen by most public chains when scaling. And Harmony is one of the chains that use sharding technology. The project is dedicated to building a new generation blockchain network, a highly scalable, secure, low-energy blockchain based on a sharded architecture. How can Harmony be a strong competitor to Ethereum 2.0 if it is only the application of sharding technology? The project is dedicated to building a new generation blockchain network, a highly scalable, secure, low-energy blockchain based on a sharded architecture. Deep Sharding System, which is a multi-layer sharding including the network, transactions and state, coupled with the introduction of COD-MLE routing protocol, allows block data to be transmitted to the destination via the shortest path. Consensus mechanism. Harmony is actually a consensus mechanism using POS and FBFT, which is mainly a substantial improvement on Zilliqa's PBFT. The improved algorithm leader runs a multi-signature process to collect the votes of the verifiers, which greatly reduces the complexity of communication. Distributed random generation. Harmony cleverly combines the cryptographic properties of verifiable random function and verifiable delay function. Such a process ensures that malicious nodes cannot predict or interfere with the results of random numbers in advance, and the whole process is of low complexity and can be completed in a short time. Harmony's creators say it provides a platform to power the decentralized economy of the future. Let's have a look at Harmony's development. Harmony's market cap divided by TVL is equal 3.88, which is a slightly high valuation, and the higher demand for TVL growth is expected to be more reasonable. Harmony's positive performance in launching its development fund, expanding partnerships and deploying multiple projects, like Curve, gives us expectations for Harmony TVL growth. Harmony announced a $300 million ecosystem development fund on September 9, bringing a near 2-month price increase in one after the announcement. Although there are many projects on Harmony's official ecosystem chart, the number of DeFi projects in it is limited from Footprint Analytics data. Harmony's DeFi projects are concentrated in the DEX category. Lending, yield and other areas are still relatively underdeveloped. In addition, the project with the highest TVL on Harmony is DeFi Kingdoms, a play-to-earn game with a game as the carrier and DeFi as the core. But big partners like Curve, AnySwap, and SushiSwap have not had high TVLs after deploying on Harmony. Harmony's TVL is still low, ranking 20th among chains, and about 50% of TVL is concentrated on DeFi Kingdoms. As a new chain, Harmony is still building out its ecosystem, with enormous room for growth. Since September, Harmony has been promoting its development plan, which could speed up ecosystem development. That's all for today. If you like this video and want to find out more about Footprint Reports, then watch our recent video on Footprint Reports, linked below. If you're feeling bullish on Learn DeFi with Footprint, hit that like button and subscribe. Check out our other content, and get one step closer to blockchain analytics. See you next time.